We are happy to see all the lovers of stunning discoveries in the world of nature. Today, we are embarking on an incredible journey around the world to explore the giants of nature, amazing trees that captivate with their size and beauty. Can you imagine standing beneath the crown of a tree that is thousands of years old? Or seeing a tree that seems to reach up to the sky? We will visit diverse corners of the planet, from the majestic sequoias in California to the fantastic baobabs in Africa, each a natural masterpiece with its own unique story. Giant sequoia tree, California redwood. Let's start with the California redwood, one of nature's most amazing and majestic creations. Imagine that the oldest sequoias appeared on Earth more than 2,000 years ago. They have witnessed the rise and fall of the Roman Empire, the Middle Ages, and the Renaissance. These trees can reach heights of over 100 meters, making them the tallest plants on Earth. The sequoia's resilience against fires is particularly remarkable. Their bark, rich in tannins, protects them from fires, which, in turn, help clear the forest floor and stimulate seed germination. California redwoods symbolize the strength and longevity of nature. Walking among these giants, you feel part of something grand and timeless. The devil tree fire. Devil trees are a rare and astonishing natural phenomenon found across various parts of the world. Inside their trunks and branches, a mysterious process of self-ignition occurs, maintaining a flame within the tree. Remarkably, the trunk does not burn or collapse, preserving its structure and shape despite the internal fire. The origin of this phenomenon remains a scientific mystery. Some theorize it is caused by bacterial decomposition of wood, generating heat and eventually fire. Others believe that gases accumulate within the tree and ignite under certain conditions, sustaining the flame inside the trunk. However, the actual cause may simply be lightning striking the tree, sparking the internal fire. The gushing water tree. We've seen trees that burn from the inside, but what about the opposite? Trees that gush water. Imagine water pouring out like a fountain from within a massive tree. This phenomenon occurs due to the unique structure of the tree and its root system. During heavy rains, water saturates the soil, soaking into the tree's roots. Under the influence of gravity and internal pressure, water then escapes through small cracks and holes in the trunk, turning the tree into a natural fountain that releases fresh water into the surroundings. President tree. One of the most majestic and grandiose trees on the planet is the President tree, or giant sequoia tree, located in Sequoia National Park in California. This tree is so massive that its height exceeds 75 meters, and its trunk volume is more than 1,300 cubic meters. It has been growing for over 3,000 years, reaching toward the heavens even before the pyramids were built. The President tree is a living witness to history, having survived the changes of epochs, civilizations, and millennia. Its majesty is not only in its size, but also in its beauty. Its trunk, resembling a massive column, is covered with deep, rust-colored bark. The branches spread out like enormous arms reaching for the sky, while its mighty roots delve deep into the ground, providing stability and nourishment. This tree symbolizes the power and wisdom of nature. It inspires and captivates all who see it, serving as a reminder of the importance of protecting and respecting our natural world. General Sherman tree, Sequoia giganteum. Deep within California's Sequoia National Park lies one of the world's most extraordinary natural wonders, the General Sherman tree. This giant sequoia holds the title of the largest tree on Earth by volume, and its grandeur is astounding. Standing nearly 85 meters tall with a trunk volume of 1,500 cubic meters, this tree is a true living giant. The General Sherman tree is more than 2,000 years old, a silent witness to the events that have shaped human civilization. Its massive branches stretch out like the arms of a giant, while its deep roots provide exceptional stability, allowing it to endure hurricanes and other powerful natural elements. Sequoias are known for their longevity and resilience. Even if damaged, the tree continues to grow and heal itself, embodying nature's power and tenacity. The General Sherman tree stands as a living symbol of survival and strength, with its majestic appearance and impressive size making it a true marvel worth seeing at least once in a lifetime. The mangrove tree. Now let's enter a world where trees stand in water and roots thrive in muddy saltwater. This is the realm of mangroves. These incredible plants grow in the most unpredictable and extreme conditions, surviving where other plants cannot take root. Mangroves are true champions of adaptation. Their roots are submerged in salt water and endure periodic flooding by the tides. Some mangroves have aerial roots that allow them to breathe even when the main roots are underwater, while others have salt-proof leaves to regulate salt levels within their tissues. Despite these challenging conditions, mangroves are vital to the coastal ecosystem. Their dense thickets create unique habitats for numerous species of plants and animals, including rare birds, fish, and shrimp. Additionally, mangroves act as a natural barrier, protecting coastlines from erosion and natural disasters such as tsunamis and hurricanes. Dead Drought tree. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the eerie and mystical atmosphere of a place that seems straight out of a science fiction novel, the Dead a dead forest in a dry lake bed in the middle of the Namibian desert. This hauntingly beautiful landscape captivates visitors with its surreal and apocalyptic appearance. The Dead is a dry lake surrounded by towering red dunes, with a scattering of gnarled, desiccated trees standing motionless in its center, as if frozen in time. These lifeless trees contrast starkly against the bright white clay of the lakebed and the vivid red desert soil. The origins of the Dead are steeped in legend, suggesting that many centuries ago, a river flowing through the dunes was blocked by sand, cutting off the water supply. This left behind a dry lakebed and dead trees, creating an otherworldly scene. For photographers and travelers, the Dead is a true source of inspiration, offering striking compositions that play with contrast and light. Here, one can capture incredible perspectives and explore the remarkable power of nature's artistry. The rainbow eucalyptus. The rainbow eucalyptus is a true marvel of nature, impressing with its vibrant, saturated colors. Its bark shimmers in every shade of the rainbow, creating an incredible sight that seems almost beyond imagination. This tree is like an artist, painting brilliant patterns across its trunk and branches, leaving observers amazed and inspired. Initially, the bark of the rainbow eucalyptus appears bright green, but as it matures, it takes on shades of blue, purple, orange, and maroon. The trunks of mature trees showcase all the colors of the rainbow, which gives the species its name. The bark's colors are in a constant state of change, a reminder that nature has no boundaries when it comes to beauty and creativity. This tree shows us that even the most ordinary plants can be a source of inspiration and wonder. The Brosimum utile tree, milk tree. The milk tree, or Brosimum utile, is far from ordinary. Known for its unique wood properties, it is highly valued for a variety of uses. However, its true marvel lies in its ability to secrete a white, milky sap from its trunk when damaged. This sap is rich in nutrients and serves as a source of sustenance for animals and even humans, making the milk tree an incredibly special and valuable resource. This remarkable phenomenon is due to the tree's unique anatomical structure. The milk tree contains specialized vessels filled with milk-like sap, which flow out when the tree's trunk is damaged or under pressure. Surprisingly, the sap from this tree is safe to consume, and locals have long used it as a substitute for cow's milk. When boiled, this sap can also produce wax for making candles and even chewing gum, highlighting the milk tree's versatility and importance in local traditions. The monkey pod tree. Deep in the heart of the rainforest stands a majestic and intriguing tree known as Samanea saman, or the rain tree. With its expansive crown and exotic allure, this tree captivates all who find themselves beneath its canopy. Samanea saman is a natural wonder, with a crown resembling a giant green umbrella, covering up to 60 meters in diameter. This structure not only grants the tree a distinctive appearance, but also creates a natural oasis below, offering shelter from the intense tropical sun. The tree's leaves exhibit a fascinating trait. They fold at night or during rainfall, as if protecting themselves and everything beneath them from moisture. Known for its resilience, the trunk of this tree can reach up to 2 to 3 meters in diameter, and its lifespan spans several centuries. The rain tree is an essential part of the local ecosystem. Its robust roots prevent soil erosion, and its sprawling crown provides a habitat for numerous birds, insects, and small animals. This tree also plays a vital role in the lives of local communities. Its durable, rot-resistant wood is used in construction and furniture making, while beneficial substances are derived from its seeds and fruits. The rain tree is often planted along roads and in parks, providing shade and enhancing the microclimate. In some cultures, it holds sacred significance and is included in various rituals and ceremonies. The Socotra dragon tree. On the remote island of Socotra, lost in the Arabian Sea, we find one of the most mysterious and exotic trees on the planet, the dragon tree. The Socotra dragon tree stands out with its unusual appearance. Its dense crown, resembling a giant mushroom or an open umbrella, rises to a height of up to 10 meters. The branches stretch upward, forming a thick dome that casts a deep shadow on the ground. This structure not only gives the tree its unique appearance, but also helps it survive the island's harsh climate by protecting it from the intense sun and conserving moisture. One of the most striking features of the dragon tree is its sap. When the tree is cut or damaged, it releases a thick red juice, reminiscent of dragon's blood, which inspired its name. For centuries, this sap has been used by locals and traders around the world as medicine, dye, and even in magical rituals. In ancient times, it was considered precious, believed to have healing and mystical properties. Socotra Island, home to this incredible tree, is a unique ecosystem. Due to its isolation from the mainland, it has developed rare species of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. The dragon tree is a remarkable representative of this distinctive ecosystem, drawing the attention of scientists, tourists, and nature enthusiasts alike.